Aloha and welcome to this week's episode of Dish Upon a Star. Today is a very special day because it's Stitch's birthday. So what better way to celebrate than to make a dish inspired by one of Stitch's favorite people, Elvis. I'm going to teach you how to make peanut butter banana stuffed French toast that's fit for the king. It's perfect for all the little experiments in your home. It's great for breakfast, even better for dessert. This recipe is very similar to the Tonga toast that you can find at Disney's Polynesian Resort, so I figured it was the perfect recipe to make for Stitch on his special day. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to start with today is our French toast batter. That way we can stuff our French toast, get it soaking in the batter while we prepare our garnishes.
To make our French toast batter, we're going to be combining heavy whipping cream, half a cup of peanut butter, 6 eggs, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and honey into a medium mixing bowl, and then whisking together until combined.
So now that our batter is all done, it's time for us to start prepping our actual French toast slices. I'm using a loaf of a crusty Italian bread that I bought from my grocery store, and I had them cut it in 1.5 inch thick slices. Since we're doing kind of similar to Tonga toast at the Polynesian, you really do want something that's cut a little thicker. So ask your baker or if they can cut it a little thicker for you, because you're gonna need that space to stuff in those bananas. You can use whatever bread you like, but I like to use the nice crusty bread for French toast.
Begin by cutting your banana in half and then taking the 2 halves and cutting them lengthwise. You're going to need about 2 pieces of banana per slice of toast. Using a serrated knife, take a slice of toast and you're going to cut a large slit on the bottom flat end of the piece of bread to make a nice little pocket for your bananas to go into. Place the prepared slices of French toast in the bottom of a large baking pan. Then pour the peanut butter batter over the toast, flipping once to ensure even coating, and place in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. Using a small saucepan, we'll be combining peanut butter, heavy cream, brown sugar, and maple syrup over low heat.
So I have all of our sauce ingredients right here in that little saucepan. We're going to cook that on low heat for about 4 minutes until all that sugar is dissolved. This is what our sauce looks like after 4 minutes. It's a little thick for me, so we're going to add just like a tablespoon of water to kind of thin it out, because I want to be able to use this as like a syrup over our French toast. This is after the addition of the water and a little bit more heat. It's much thinner. This is a little bit more the consistency that I want. I think I might add just a little bit more water in there to get it a little runnier, but I think this looks beautiful right now. This wouldn't be an Elvis episode without some bacon in it, so we're definitely throwing some bacon on top of this as a garnish.
I cooked 3 slices of bacon in a pan, removed them, drained the excess, and I chopped them into little teeny tiny bits that I will be sprinkling over my French toast.
So everything's all set for us to get started making our French toast. I've got a large heavy bottom skillet here and I'm melting some butter in there. We'll be frying the French toast in the butter today.
I melted about a tablespoon of butter in the bottom of a pan over medium heat. Then going one at a time with the French toast, I cooked it on both sides about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, just because the toast is so thick. I covered the pan after the first turn just to evenly distribute that heat and get nice even cooking throughout the piece of toast.
Look at this. Look at this beautiful French toast that we are about to eat. It is stuffed with bananas. I put some bananas on top for garnish. We have that beautiful peanut butter sauce on top and some crumbly little bits of bacon. Because like I said, it wouldn't be fit for a king if it didn't have that bacon on it. I think it's time to take a little bite of it. Got a little bit of everything on there. Here's a secret for you. I don't like bananas, but I friggin' love this. It's so yummy. If you wanted to make this Tonga toast, you would just replace the peanut butter sauce on top and just roll it around in cinnamon sugar. It just has so much going on in there. There's the salty from the peanut butter, there's the sweet from the bananas, there's the crunchy from the bacon. There's just so much happening in this, and it's so good. And I am so glad that I made it to celebrate Stitch's birthday today. Happy birthday, Stitch! Have a magical day, everybody!
Mahalo and thank you for watching!